right, welcome back, my dear students. So now that we have this array here with our credentials, let's create another file here to initialize everything. Usually this is called a init file. Well, that's what I usually call it. We're gonna open it up with some PHP tags, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create my session here. I'm gonna start my session, because we're going to be using sessions later on. And I'm going to do this in the first line, just in case you're taking this to a live server. Make sure that your session start is always the first line, all right? Just to avoid some issues. So we're going to required, and what I'm going to require is this vendor folder here, because we have this autoload.php file here that's going to autoload all our dependencies, all our libraries that we're going to be using. So in this case, we're going to be using Twilio, but if we have something else like a Facebook or Twitter SDK, it will auto load it for us. So that's why I love Composer, guys. All right, so we're going to go out a little bit, and we're going to say vendor and autoload.php. Cool. Then we are also going to required. Let's require our config.php as well here, so we can use it throughout our whole application. All right, so that's it for that. All right, cool. Here in public, usually you will have your, of course, your JS directory. You will have your CSS. If you have anything, of course, we'll have your index.php in here. All right, we'll have let's just create those pages there, and then we'll play around with them a little bit in the next lecture. All right, we'll have here, what else? We'll have a code.php. What else? We'll have reply.php. What else? We'll have success. I know that for sure will be there. All right, I think we're good for now. If anything, we'll make those files later, some other files later, but I think we're good. Code index, reply, success, verify is another one. .php. All right, cool. All right, so I'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Take care.